A rectangle has a length of L centimeter and a width of W centimeter. Write an algebraic expression for its perimeter. Okay, please follow the same steps. Define the final goal. Break the problem into components. Identify the known quantity, unknown quantity. Describe the relationship. Do all of that. Okay, so let's start with analysis. First thing is to find perimeter of rectangle. Next, let's break it down. So whenever you get a chance to draw, what should you do? Yes, draw, as simple as that. Right, draw, that's it. And use the variable that they have given. In the question, the length is L, this is L centimeter, also write the unit. And this is width, W centimeter. And the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So let me mark that. Can you see that I've marked one line, indicating that these two lines are equal. So if I name this as ABCD, side AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD. Right? So let's think about it. If this is 10, this will be 10. If this is 15, this will be 15. What is the perimeter? Perimeter will be 10, 10, 20, 15, 15, 30, 20, 20 plus 30 is 50 centimeter. Agree? That's it. Right? So if I change this, if I make this as 40, 40, it will be 80 and then 50, 50. Let me actually change that and let's talk about that now. So if this is 50, this will be 50. If this is 10, this will be 10. So 100, 120. The perimeter is 120. So basically, how are we doing it? Perimeter over here will be 10 times 2 or 2 times 10 plus 2 times 50. Now, let me change the value to something else. Let me change the value to say 40 and 40, 10 and 10. Now, my question to you guys is, what should I erase so that we get the perimeter? Erasing 10 and 50, right? So this will be 40 and this will be 10. So can you guys tell which is fixed and which is varying? This 2 is fixed, the number of sides. These 2 are varying. That's it, as simple as that, right? So we know what is fixed, what is varying. Now let's figure out the solution. So this is analysis. This is next part is your working. That's what I'm calling this as. Now, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times. Again, this is an extra bit of work that I'm doing, but this always helps. 2 times of what? 2 times the length of 2 times the length. Okay, let me just write 2 times the length and 2 times the width. So and will be plus 2 times is 2 into 2 times is 2 into width is W, length is L, right? Equal to sign is equal to. And so we have, therefore, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into W. Can you see that? 2 into L plus 2 into W. That's what we have written over here. And it's matching the final answer. So if you go this systematically, if you look at all of this in systematic way, it is much easier. So what is the way I'm doing it? First, I'm figuring out what is that we need to figure out. Draw if possible. If they're given variable, you also use variable. Give them some value. Check how do you figure out the perimeter. Change the value. Check what is changing. Right? So what is not changing, that will be fixed. What is changing, that will be varying. And then try to figure out the general formula. Put it in words. Again, all of this routine helps. And then finally write the expression.